Hi friends, we are back again and this is the COVID times, and today we are going to give you a brief demo of the highly anticipated electrical motor. And why it is necessary in the COVID times? The only reason being is the generation of aerosol. It really minimizes the aerosol production. So let's quickly begin and see what all contents it has. So this is the nice box over here. This is the main unit. It's got a charging the electrical cable, and this is the 1:5 handpiece which comes with the motor. So now moving ahead, the attachments is a standalone unit. You can own, all you need is the electrical connection, and all the high-speed burrs gets fitted in your 1:5 handpiece, and you can do all sort of cutting at a very high speed. It gives you a speed of almost 2 lakh RPM with an immense power, and it's a highly efficient motor, low vibration, and it's a fiber optic machine. So moving ahead, it also gives you an option of 16:1 and 1:1 for your endo work and for your regular contra angle. So this is not coming with a 1:1 handpiece or 16:1, only 1:5, but most of the people, they already have the 1:1, so they can do the normal micromotor work. If you need to fit this motor in your chair, what you can do, we've given a slot over here. You need to screw this up beneath the utility table, and so moving ahead, you need an electrical power connection which is already connected over here, and let's switch it on. The machine is switched on right now, and this is right now in 1:1 mode. So the functions over here, this is memory, this is memory, this is increasing, this is decreasing, this is reverse, this is reverse, and this is selecting the mode. So since we have the 1:1 handpiece, 1:5 handpiece, let's select the 1:5 handpiece, and let's increase the speed to 2 lakh RPM. Right now it's 20 into 1000, it's 10,000, it's 2 lakh RPM. So the machine is already started, the handpiece is already started, and it gives you a very good power, and all we've connected is to the power connection right now. That's it, nothing more. Very good power. So this is one mode what you can do. It's a standalone unit. And now if you want to connect it to the chair, what you can do is, this is your handpiece coupling which is coming in. All you need to do is just connect at the back side. We've given a direct slot over here, so the coupling is already connected, and now your foot control, your regular foot control, becomes operational. And this is your foot control, and it starts throwing up the water. So the water starts coming in. If you don't want the water, you can shut down the water from the water control joint present in your chair, and if you need water, you can connect it with the chair tubing. So the compressor over here is only pushing the water. That's it. So hope you like the video, and I'm gonna also show you, connecting in the video, a slight demonstration of the aerosol production compared to this one and the handpiece. Keep continuing watching this video. Thank you so much. Now we are going to test the high-speed handpiece first, and we put in a sheet so that you can understand that what is the difference between the electrical motor and the regular high-speed handpiece. So this is the LED handpiece which I'm using, NMD handpiece, and you can see the deposits on the sheet. Now this is the 1:5 handpiece electrical motor, and you can see the difference. Thank you.